Kapag everything sa bahay ay napupunta sa mouth ng dog nyo, hindi basta behavior problem yan. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne and I'm an animal welfare advocate for 25 years. I also had an international organization that gives Aspins a chance for a second life. Kapag everything sa bahay ay napupunta sa mouth ng dog nyo, hindi basta behavior problem yan. Chewing or pagngangat-ngat relieves teething, boredom, or stress. Pag nag-treat kami ng mga rescues, we always provide outlets instead of pinapagalitan namin sila. Magbigay ka ng mga chewing toys, i-rotate mo yon para maging interesado sila. Tapos, engage your dogs with short plays. Laro, sayaw, or training. Gentle redirection is better than sisigawan mo sila. So, chewing is normal, basta the key is guidance, not punishment. Share this with friends that are struggling with dogs na palaging nagangat-ngat.